Now I will show how to calculate the salary sheet for a company. Suppose these are the name, this person's name, position, department, date of joining, and basic salary. First of all, we'll try to find out the house rent of one person's basic salary. Suppose you click equal sign, then click basic salary into zero point 0.6. That means 60%. 60% of 40,000 is 24,000. Second one is to find out medical. First of all, we'll have to enter equal, then click basic salary into 0.5, 50%. Then other, click equal sign, basic salary into zero point 0.4, 40%. This is one person's, Mr. A's basic salary, house rent, medical, others. Now you click total. To find out total, select auto sum and press enter. We find one person, Mr. A's basic salary, house rent, medical, other, and total is 1 lakh. Now to find out other person's total salary, also house rent, medical, others, to select all. Now we'll go to data table and click column input cell here. Now first, Mr. A, CEO, click this basic salary and then click OK. You will find all the person's total salary including house rent, medical, others according to 60%, 50% and 40%. Here we find only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons basic salary at a time for the very short term. But if you have an employee of more than 100 or more than 1000, you will also find all the persons basic salary including house rent, medical, others, all informations with a very short time. Thank you very much.